Hello everyone, welcome to RN Gains. If you are looking to build stronger or defined arms, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will take you through a complete arms workout packed with effective exercise and tips to help you achieve your fitness goals. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced lifter, there's something here for everyone. So grab your weights and get ready to sweat. After 5 to 10 minutes of warm-up, let's start with the close grip bench press, in which we will take 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. It targets tricep while also engaging the chest. Look at how I am performing in this video. Avoid gripping too narrowly as this can strain your wrist. Elbow position, keep your elbow close to your toes throughout the movement. Avoid bouncing the bar on your chest. Use a slow, controlled motion. Core engagement, keep your core tight to maintain stability and prevent arcing your back. Use a supporter especially if lifting heavy to ensure safety. This exercise is highly effective for building mass in your tricep and is great addition to any arms focused workout. Our next exercise is dumbbell overhead tricep extension. This exercise you can perform with single arm or with your both arm. Repetition range will be 10 to 12 reps and 3 to 4 sets. Here are some tips for proper form. Keep your elbows stationary and pointed forward. Don't let them fairly out. Core engagement. Tighten your core to prevent excessive arcing of the back. Full range of motion. Lower the weight fully but avoid locking out your elbows at the top. Use a manageable weight to maintain proper form and avoid injury. Some common mistakes to avoid. Swinging the weight takes tension off the tricep. Too much heavy weight can compress foam and increases risk of injury. This exercise is must for building tricep size and strength, especially if you are looking to develop the long head for fuller looking arms. Alright everyone, let's move on to a killer bicep circuit that will leave your arm pumped and growing. This is a 3 variation bicep curl sequence designed to target your biceps from different angles, giving you a fuller, more well-rounded look. First, close grip bicep curls. Start with a close grip on the bar. This focus on the inner part of your bicep, adding peak and thickness, performing 10 reps here. Then wide grip bicep curls. Without much rest, switch to a wide grip. This shifts the focus to the outer part of your biceps, helping you achieve that broad defined look. Again hit 10 reps. Then last, standard or neutral grip bicep curls. Finally switch to standard grip for a balanced activation of entire bicep muscle. Perform 10 reps to finish the set. In this exercise, I took 5 to 10 seconds of rest, just enough to reset and adjust my grip. This keeps the intensity high and maximize the pump. By changing the grip, we are hitting the bicep from different angle, which is a key for well-rounded bicep muscles. The next exercise is tricep pushdown. Tricep pushdown is an excellent isolation exercise that targets a tricep, helping to build size, strength and definition. This exercise can perform using a cable machine with a straight bar, V-bar or rope attachment. Repetition range will be 12 to 15 reps and 3 to 4 sets. Tips for proper form. Keep your elbows fixed at your side throughout the movement. Do not let them move forward. Avoid using momentum or letting the weight stack slam at the top. Core engagement. Tighten your core to prevent leaning forward or arcing your back. Full range of motion. Extend fully at the bottom and avoid cutting the range of motion short. Common mistake to avoid. Swinging or jerking the bar. This exercise isolates the tricep, particularly at lateral and long head, helping you develop the size and definition needed for bigger arms. It's beginner friendly and allows for easy progression by increasing weight. With tricep pushdown, I am taking parallel bar tricep dips as an alternate exercise. Tricep dips are fantastic body weight exercise for building tricep strength and size while also engaging the shoulder and chest. They can be performed on parallel bars, a dip station, or even on a bench for modified version. Perform 12 to 15 reps and 3 to 4 sets. This is how you should do this exercise. Lower yourself as far as your mobility allows, but avoid going too low to protect your shoulders. Avoid jerking or swinging during the movement. Keep your elbows tucked close to your body to maximum tricep activation. This compound movement primarily targets the triceps but also engages the chest and shoulders as stabilizer. It's versatile. You can add weight using a dip belt for progression or modify the track size on a bench. Spider curls are an excellent isolation exercise for the bicep, which helps build bicep peak and thickness. They require a preacher bench or an inclined bench for a support. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. Spider curls mainly targets the short head of the bicep, whose purpose is to build bicep peak and thickness. Hammer curls. Hammer curls target the long head of the bicep, which contribute to thicker and more defined arms. They also engage the forearms, making them a great compound bicep exercise. These exercises are very beneficial for the strength and peak of the bicep muscles.